Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our 2020 Yamaha AR210. As you see, this boat has the double stepped swim deck in the back with the seat backs to hang out. It's got the nice step through, and then you can also put the pad there or remove it when you're stepping through. It comes with the Watersports Tower, which folds down very easily if you need to put it in a garage or go under a bridge. It's got the nice captain's chair with the bolster. Over here you have the nice long couch seat with the nice backrest when you're sitting backwards watching out the back of the boat. Helm. This boat does come with dual throttles. It's a dual jet propulsion motors. Great open space in the front, cup holders, storage under the seats. It also has bow filler cushions you can fill in here. Very comfortable contouring. Nice wide, plenty of room for people to sit up here. Anchor locker and ladder here on the front. Nice little step out here to step out the front of the boat. Come and check out this awesome AR210 Yamaha. It's a 2020 at MarineMax here in Greenville, or on MarineMaxGreenville.com, or call us at 864-236-9005.